If you are looking for a delicious, healthy, and filling lunch or dinner salad, I have a recipe for you today. Welcome back to the Silly Kitchen. Here I like to inspire you to cook more at home and eat well and use different ingredients. So today we are making a meal salad, and I've always seen the word of, like, the name of this salad on the internet or wherever, and I think I've been saying it wrong for a really long time. But if you sound it out, it looks like Nicoise. That's not it. It is actually pronounced, hey Google, what is that salad recipe from Nice called?
Got it. I've got a recipe called Nicoise Salad from Simply Recipes.
Thank you, Google.
This recipe serves 6.
Hey Google, turn off. Nicoise, something like that. If you know how to pronounce it, good for you. I'm just gonna pretend.
Nicoise, something like that.
Hey Google, turn off. But it's a very, just really hearty salad. And the first thing we need to do is cook some fish. I've got a beautiful piece of rainbow trout that I'm gonna cook. I am making this just for myself today, so I'm using a small piece of fish. It's beautiful. We need to get that in the oven before we build up our salad. So I also have melted some butter and minced 2 cloves of garlic and cleaned and chopped up a little bit of some green beans. So that goes in first. So I'm just gonna put the green beans all around. And I'm preheating my oven right now to 400 degrees. So as my oven is preheating, I've got my melted butter with garlic that I'm just going to lightly drizzle onto my fish. Get those chunks of garlic on there. And I'm gonna move the beans just a little closer here. I don't wanna waste this garlic butter. And I'm gonna put them on the beans as well. And the nice thing about cooking fish is that it does not take very long at all, and you don't wanna overcook fish. So this little piece that I'm gonna put into the oven is only gonna take about 12 minutes. And I'm putting the beans in with it because 12 minutes of these beans cooking as well are gonna leave them a little bit crispy for me, and that's how I like them. We are also gonna hit this up with just a little sprinkle of salt and a little sprinkle of pepper. That's it. In the oven it goes. While our fish is cooking in the oven, you do need to get some other vegetables and things ready for your salad. So I have a plate now of some mixed spring mix salad. You know, the stuff in the box that has all these pretty lettuces. But I've also mixed it with a little bit of romaine as well, just to have that crunch. I like that watery crunch in my salad. I've also sliced up some radishes, some cucumber. I have hard-boiled eggs in my fridge all the time. Well, not all the time, but I usually cook like 5 or 6 on Sunday or Monday, and then I have them for protein and snacks throughout the week. I've got a little bit of corn, some fresh dill, salt and pepper, and some olive oil. So I'm gonna assemble the salad as I wait for my beans and my fish to cook, and then we will finish it after that. So just place your ingredients in a few corners of your plate. I always like when food looks pretty, so I don't know, I kind of try to make it aesthetic as well as delicious. So cucumbers, radishes, I'm gonna put my egg right beside my radishes, and then because corn is yellow, I'm gonna put corn on the side of the cucumber. So I have like a balance of color. So there we go. And that's it for now until our fish comes out of the oven. And just like that, the fish is perfectly cooked. My beans are gonna be cooked but still crispy. So I'm gonna move the beans out of the way first, just so that it's easier to give them a scoop. Okay, come on beans, out of the way. And that is still really hot. I forgot my oven mitt. I got my oven mitt. So I'm gonna scoop out my green beans first, and I'm gonna put them over here try my egg. Oh, I'm so hungry right now. I'm gonna be really excited to eat this. Now I may have made a little bit too much beans, so I'm not gonna shove them all on there, but I am gonna eat them. And I just had to add one right now. Oh, or maybe two. Okay. I want the salad to look pretty for my photo, so I'm not gonna put the rest of those beans on there. Now, your fish should slide off perfectly, look at that, off the bottom of the skin. And I'm gonna add that to my salad. You can break off your pieces to make them smaller or keep them like this, where they are in a piece. Do not let those little pieces go either. There's lots of flavor there and lots of deliciousness. No waste. Okay. We are almost ready to eat this salad, although I already had a couple bites. But first, give your salad a drizzle of olive oil on everything. And some salt and pepper on, make sure you get those veggies because your beans and your fish are already gonna have tons of flavor from roasting and all that garlic, but your veggies aren't. And we're not making a salad dressing. We're just using the olive oil and fresh dill. Dill is one of my favorite herbs and it pairs so perfectly with fish dishes, with eggs, with cucumber, with so many different things, and so many of them in this dish exactly. So I'm gonna finish with a nice sprig of dill right there, and our salad is ready. You are not gonna be hungry after eating this. This is healthy, hearty, delicious, and I'm gonna dive in. Please make this salad at home. Try it with different fish. I'm using the rainbow trout because I love my different varieties of fishes, but this would go really well with tuna. This would go great with salmon, some Arctic char, whatever your favorite fish is, you can make a salad just like this. Thank you for tuning in to The Silly Kitchen again, and I hope this inspires you to make a Nicoise, I forget how to say it already. Nicoise salad. Make a good salad. Thank you.